Toshiba ditched a plan to split into 3 companies. Toshiba, another Japanese conglomerate under pressure to increase shareholder returns, ditched a plan to split into 3 companies. Instead, it now proposed spinning off just its advancing species, which includes semiconductors. The original plan was criticized by foreign investors. The new restructuring will avoid a complex vote among shareholders, making it easier for management to try to win over the naysayers. PP witnessed a record high profit since 2013. BP made an annual headline profit of $12.8 billion in 2021, its biggest in 8 years. Similar to other energy giants, BP was boosted by soaring prices for oil and gas, coming on the back of huge profits at Chevron, ExxonMobil, and Shell. There are some calls in Britain and on the European continent to impose a windfall tax on energy companies. TUI travel bookings rise as millions of secure summer flights. Revenues at TUI, Europe's largest tourism company, were 5 times higher in the last 3 months of 2021 than in the same quarter of 2020, but still well below those of 2019. Now that many travel restrictions have eased, TUI expects bookings this summer to come close to pre-pandemic levels. A $6.6 billion deal was conducted in the airline industry. In another sign of returning confidence in travel, Frontier, a low-cost airline in America, agreed to buy Spirit, Arrival. The $6.6 billion takeover is the biggest in the industry since the start of the pandemic. The stock markets have recouped most of the money lost from the worst trading day of the year. Stock markets claw back most of their losses from the worst trading day in a year, triggered by Meta's warning about slower revenue growth. The share price of Facebook's parent company tumbled by 26% on February 3rd, wiping $230 billion off its market value. But the rout in tech stocks was not evenly spread. Amazon's share price rebounded on the back of solid earnings. Disney also provided a fillip to investors by reporting a big rise in subscribers to its Disney Plus channel, allaying fears that the streaming revolution has run out of steam. American families fall deeper in debt. America's total household debt rose by $1 trillion during 2021 to reach $15.6 trillion at year's end, the biggest annual increase since 2007. Car loans were a big factor. The loosening of COVID restrictions had unleashed a pent-up demand for vehicles. Credit card balances increased in the fourth quarter by the largest amount since records began. US and Japan reached a deal to ease steel tariffs. America said it would remove the extra tariffs on Japanese steel imports imposed during the Trump administration, the levy on aluminum steel applies. In a deal similar to one struck with the EU last year, America and Japan pledged to work together to reduce overcapacity in steel manufacturing. To avoid tariffs, steel from Japan must be made entirely in that country to avoid Chinese elements sneaking into the productions. U.S. trade deficit hit record $859.1 billion in 2021. As America's economy rebounded last year, it sucked in more imports, pushing the overall trade deficit for goods and services to $859.1 billion, a record. The trade deficit with China grew by 14.5% over the year to $355.3 billion. New York couple tied to crypto hack arrested. A married couple were arrested in New York for allegedly conspiring to launder cryptocurrency that was stolen during a hack of Bitfinex, a virtual currency exchange, in 2016. The Justice Department said that $3.6 billion in Bitcoin related to the hack has been seized so far, proving that law enforcement can follow money through the blockchain.